date, it's my hair. I always do a really nice, like, I don't know, a curl or a style or some sort of styled hair because I have a lot of it. So I feel if the hair is looking really good, then everything else is okay.
Your go-to makeup look for a date would be?
I guess that would depend on where you're going or what you're doing. If you're going for a movie, maybe just a little bit of mascara. If you're going to a fancy dinner date, eyeliner, for sure.
Given a choice, full glam or no makeup look?
In my life, a no makeup look. For work, glam.
What kind of scent would you like to wear? Like scent, like a perfume, like misty, floral, what kind?
So I've been using the same perfume since I was 16. I like it, so I haven't tried anything else. Very like fresh, kind of floral, I think, scent, but it's very like fresh and breezy.
One makeup product that will always come handy on any touch-up for a date.
Chapstick.
Soft curls or sleek pony?
Soft curls. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful.